Have you noticed something strange? The older you get, the faster time seems to pass. As a kid, summer felt like a lifetime. Now, you blink, and 6 months are gone. But what if I told you time isn't speeding up? You're just remembering less of it. Section 1. The truth about time. You think time is measured in hours, days, years. But your brain doesn't work like a calendar. It measures time in moments. More specifically, in new experiences. That's why childhood feels so long. Everything was new. First bike ride, first heartbreak, first fight. But now, you wake up, scroll, work, scroll again, sleep, repeat. Nothing stands out. Your life has become one long, blurry frame, and your brain is deleting 99% of it because it's all the same. Section 2. Why it feels like you're wasting life. Here's the scary part. You're not running out of time. You're just living without novelty, without meaning, without presence. You're surviving each day instead of living it, and it's killing your memory and your soul, because the more routine your life gets, the less of it you actually remember. And the less you remember, the shorter your life feels. Section 3. The shift you need.
So what's the fix?
It's not about doing more. It's about feeling more. Start small, walk a new route, talk to a stranger, say yes to something you always say no to, try something that scares you, just a little. These tiny moments, they stretch time, they become memories, they become your life. Because time doesn't pass faster as you age, you just stop noticing it. Section 4. The comeback. But you can come back to life, not by escaping your routine, but by injecting life into it. Cook your own meal, feel the water when you shower, watch the sunset like it's the first time. These are not small things. They are how you reclaim time, because at the end of it all, you won't remember how many hours you worked, but you'll remember the moments that made you feel alive. Ending. Final line. So don't ask, where did the time go? Ask instead, where did my attention go? And get it back before another year disappears.